Today I'm going to decorate my cake using edible lace. In this video I will present two different brands. The first product I use is by Pavoni called Magic Decor. I use a 250 gram package of which I will only use 50 gram. I follow the instructions on the package, so for 50 grams of Pavoni Magic Decor I'm just going to add about 40 grams of warm water. The instructions indicate that you should use a blender to create the creamy consistency, but I know this product is so good that I'm going to be able to achieve that consistency by just mixing it with a spoon. I know this doesn't look like much, but a little goes a long way with cake lace. So I've split the mixture into two halves, and one part of it I'm going to color with Pro Gel Rainbow Dust in the color Poppy, because this is going to decorate a smaller cake which is going to sit on top of a larger cake which has been decorated with a cake stencil and royal icing also in the color Poppy. So this is going to be a perfect match. Here's the mat I'm using. I'm just going to spread and evenly distribute the cake lace mix and remove all of the excess. Then I repeat the same process with the remainder of the mixture. This is the Pavoni mixture. This is the uncolored portion. So it's the white, and with the white you can see how beautiful the mat really is. I remove the excess, and then I'm going to pop this thing into the oven. So it's going to go into the oven. It's preheated to 120 degrees Celsius, and it's going to stay in there for about 6 to 7 minutes as the instructions on the box. However, if you find that it's still wet to the touch, then I would keep it in for another 3 to 4 minutes even, so just see how it feels, and I don't think it'll go wrong. So I'm not speeding up this part of the video because I want you to get an idea or a feeling for how easy it should be to remove cake lace from a silicone mat. And it's just that easy to create cake lace. Amazing, right? So I'm going to remove the red lace as well. I had a little bit more problems with the red. I mean, it was still easy to remove, and I was able to remove it in one piece, which is great. I think that I added maybe a little bit too much food coloring, and that added too much moisture. I probably should have kept the red in the oven for a couple extra minutes. But still, I was able to remove it pretty easily in one piece. I decided then that I wanted to color the white lace, so with an airbrush I just painted it gold. Now to the second brand that I used. I'm not going to mention the name, but you might be able to read it or recognize it off of the package. So what's different about this lace mix is that it's already black, it's already colored, and that's really actually great because black can be a difficult color to achieve with buttercream and lace and all that other kind of good decorating stuff. I followed the instructions per the package, but I actually had trouble with this lace. I was a little disappointed in one, the color seemed a little bit more gray. You can see the backside looks more gray than black. Two, it was a little too stretchy and sticky, so it would stick to the mat and then rip in all the wrong parts. And three, as the lace was drying, I noticed that it was curling up in some spots, so it wasn't drying as flat as it should, and I didn't really like the waves in it. I tried the same mix with less water, drying it in the oven for a little bit longer, and I had no success the second time around either. At least one brand worked, and this is what the result of it looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe or this video instructions. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do so now because I share these kinds of tips and delicious recipes as well as healthy recipes every once in a while. Thank you for watching and see you next time.